Today we'll see the phases of digestion. Basically, there are three phases. It starts with the cephalic phase, then there is a gastric phase, and lastly, intestinal phase. So, as you can see in this diagram, it starts with your cephalic phase, and that involves the vagal center of medulla, that involves your vagus nerve, 10th cranial nerve. Means whenever we see some good food or delicious food, when we see, when we thought, or when we smell, or when we taste, our cephalic phase get activated. Means our vagus nerve or vagal center of medulla will get activated. It will activate your vagus nerve and our secretory activity started. After that, there is a gastric phase. There is a gastric phase, and in that phase, there is a, when food enter into your stomach, when food enter into your stomach, there is a distension of the stomach, there is a release of gastrin that will further stimulate your vasovagal centers. Again, that will stimulate your secretory activity. And lastly, we have the the intestinal phase, when that food goes to the duodenum, in the small bowel, in the small intestine. So we'll see all these phases one by one. Now, first of all, cephalic phase. This cephalic phase, as you can see, when we see some or think of some delicious food, जब भी हम किसी अच्छी चीज़ के बारे में सोचते हैं, खाने की चीज़, जैसे कि आज रात को पार्टी करते हैं, we think of biryani, we think of some chicken, mutton, some pizzas, burgers. So क्या होता है? That will stimulate your taste or smell receptors, mechanoreceptor, chemoreceptors, which are present in your oral cavity, in your nasal cavity, because of smell, because of taste, because of sight. Your cerebral cortex send impulses to the hypothalamus and medulla oblongata. Send impulses to the hypothalamus and medulla oblongata, and there is activation of the 10th cranial nerve, that is the vagus nerve, and that will stimulate your stomach secretory activity. हमने अब तक कुछ खाया नहीं है. Food is not entered in your mouth, not even your mouth. We have just think, we have just thought, we have just seen, we have just smell, we have just, means only cephalic phase. We are concerned about only cephalic phase. जब भी हम कुछ सोचते हैं डिलीशियस फूड, कुछ स्मेल आती है बाहर से, बाजू वाले से, हमारा दिमाग चालू हो जाता है. जब भी हम जोमेटो को देखते हैं, जोमेटो ऐप, ये मंगाते हैं, वो मंगाते हैं, ये मंगाना है, ये पार्टी करते हैं. सो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, we are stimulating our cephalic phase. How you are stimulating? Means there is a condition reflex. There is a condition reflex or response. Whenever we see some delicious food, whenever we think, that cerebral cortex send impulses to the hypothalamus and medulla oblongata, and there is activation of the vagus nerve that will stimulate your stomach secretory activity. Right? Now, that cephalic phase, same cephalic phase, what happens to this cephalic phase? Means in depression, when there is a depression, जब भी आप प्यार में होते हो, भूख नहीं लगती, नींद नहीं आती, चैन नहीं आता, when you are depressed, there is a loss of appetite, So that will again send impulses to the cerebral cortex. What does it do? It will lack of stimulation to the parasympathetic center. It will not going to stimulate your parasympathetic center. क्या है पैरासिम्पथेटिक सिस्टम का काम? रेस्ट एंड डाइजेस्ट, खाने का और आराम करने का. तो इट विल लैक ऑफ स्टिमुलेशन, वो स्टिमुलेट नहीं कर पाता. सो व्हाट विल हैपन अल्टीमेटली? इट विल इनहिबिट द स्टमक सिक्रेटरी एक्टिविटी. Means again that included in your cephalic phase, right? There are two things. One will stimulate your stomach secretory activity, one will inhibit. Again that will depend on your mood, right? Then second is the gastric phase. What happens in gastric phase? When food enter into your stomach, what will happen? Your stomach will get distended. It will activate your stretch receptors. When activate your stretch receptors, there is a vasovagal reflex or local reflex that will stimulate your stomach directly for the secretion of the HCl or gastric acid, or through the vasovagal reflex again it will stimulate medulla oblongata through vagus nerve. Again it will stimulate your stomach secretory activity. Apart from that, food chemicals, the breakdown of the carbohydrate, fat, proteins, that will release the chemicals. It will rise your pH and activate your chemoreceptors. And G cell will secrete gastrin into your blood. G cells secrete gastrin into your blood, and further it will stimulate the stomach secretory activity. This is the gastric phase that we are discussing. But what happens in gastric phase? When there is excessive acidity, pH is less than 2, excessive acidity, hyperacidity, gastrin secretion declines. If gastrin secretion declines, what happens? It will inhibit the stomach secretory activity. बहुत ज़्यादा hyperacidity हो गई तो body try to compensate. How? Gastrin secretion declines. If gastrin secretion declines, it will inhibit the stomach secretory activity. When you are in stress, emotional stress, what happens? Sympathetic nervous system get activated. That will override your parasympathetic nervous system. If it override your parasympathetic nervous system, that means it will inhibit your stomach secretory activity. Again, that is a gastric phase. Now third is the intestinal phase. Intestinal phase, when food escapes from the stomach to the duodenum. When food goes to the duodenum, small intestine, there is a presence of low pH and partially digested food in the duodenum as stomach empties. There is a presence of low pH and partially digested food in the duodenum. That will release the intestinal gastrin into the blood. That will further stimulate your secretory activity of your stomach. Right? But what happens? Distension of duodenum due to presence of fatty, acidic, hypertonic chyme or irritants. And because of the distension of duodenum, presence of fatty, acidic, hypertonic chyme, that will local reflexes, chemoreceptors will get activated. That pyrolic sphincter that will send reflexed enterogastric reflex, vagal nuclei in the medulla. All these reflexes will inhibit the stomach secretory activity when you are in the intestinal phase. Distension of your duodenum or presence of fatty, acidic, partial digested food further releases the hormones like secretin, gastrin, inhibitory peptide, cholecystokinin, vasoactive intestinal peptide. All these are the hormones which inhibit the secretory activity of the stomach. It will inhibit the secretory activity of the stomach, and that is called as the intestinal phase. So what we have discussed? We have discussed the intestinal phase, gastric phase, and cephalic phase. These are the phases of digestion. These are the phases of digestion that involves the cephalic phase, means the medulla oblongata, means through the vagus nerve it will stimulate your stomach secretory activity. That will depend on your mood, means whether you are depressed, whether you are not. Then gastric phase, when the food enter you into your stomach, and when food escapes, when the stomach empties, it will enter you the intestine. And how it will stimulate the stomach secretory activity we have seen. These are the three phases of digestion. That's all for today.